Students, prospective students, parents, and others will access the net price calculator from your own institution's website. We will now look at the example calculator, as it will appear from the end user's perspective. First, the end user must read about the appropriate use and expectations for the net price calculator. After reading and agreeing to conditions presented, end users should understand that the calculator does not represent a final determination or actual award. This statement provides the needed context to assure that the prospective student understands the purposes and limitations of the results provided by the net price calculator. Once the statement has been read, the user clicks Agree. The prospective student provides answers to questions about their intention to apply for financial aid, age, living arrangements, and residency status. We'll indicate that we intend to apply for financial aid. We are 19 years old, we live on campus, and are eligible for in-state tuition. The questions shown will vary depending on the information entered in the institution application portion of the template. For example, if you indicated that your institution does not offer on-campus housing, it will not appear as an option for users to select. We now move on to Step 2. In Step 2, we will indicate that we, the student, are not married and we do not have any dependent children. In Step 3 of the student entry, we will indicate that there are 4 people in our family, with 1 person in college next year. We will indicate the household income, which includes the prospective student's income as well as their parents' income, as between $40,000 and $49,999. After hitting Continue at the bottom of Step 4, end users are presented a summary of their answers and provided an opportunity to modify their answers or submit them for the calculation. The entries for our example are correct, so we will click Continue. This screen shows the output of the net price calculator based on manufactured data used in this example. The actual output for your calculator would be based on the inputs into the institution application of the template. In this case, the estimated net price of $5,588 is considerably less than the estimated total price of attendance that this student would pay.